Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to cover how to convert decimals to percents. I got 6 examples here for y'all, so we can do this all together and get this done pretty easily and quickly. Now, so let's get straight into our first example where we have 0.28. So, because this is in a decimal and we want to convert it to percents, we are going to multiply the decimal by 100. Or we can just move the decimal twice to the right. So I will show you how this turns out in both ways. So if we do times 100, we will get 28. But this is the bit harder way because you can just do it exactly like this. 1, 2 decimals to the right, and still you get the exact same answer. So I'm going to do both of the ways for y'all for all 6 examples so you guys can understand how it exactly works. So on to number 2, we have 0.004. So we're going to multiply this by 100 and we can get 0.4. I'm going to show you how, just like this. 1 time to the right and 2 times to the right. Now you get 0.4. So as your final answer. I forgot to circle these two. So let's go to our third example. For our third example, we have 1.3. Now, 1.3 times 100 times 100 will equal 130. Now, again, we can also do this by moving the decimal twice, like this. 1 time and 2 times. As you can see, it may get a bit confusing by moving the decimal. That's why I'm showing you both ways. But it exactly turns out as the same final answer. So you can use both ways, but just keep in mind moving the decimal can get a bit confusing if you have a situation like this. So let's go to our fourth example. For our fourth example, we have 0.075. 0.075. So we're going to multiply this by 100 and we get 7.5. 7.5. And of course, it's all percents. I kind of forgot to put the percent sign here, but 7.5% will be our final answer. Now, again, you can also do this by moving the decimal over twice like this, and again, you will get 7.5%. Now, let's go over to our fifth example. For our fifth example, we have 2.56. Again, we're going to multiply this by 100. 2.56 times 100 will be 256%. And again, we can also do this by moving the decimal twice, like this, and you will get the exact same answer. So, and now for our last example, we have 0.809. So, we're going to multiply this by 100 again, and we will get 80.9. Oh, my bad, guys. 80, I mean, 0.9%. Again, you can get this by moving the decimal over twice to the right as well. As you can see, it will be the exact same answer, 80.9%. Like this. So, this was basically the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments. If you guys have any questions about how to convert decimals to percents, or if you want any more practice problems, you can always ask it in the comments. And as always, guys, this was Mr. Mathz. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.